I look like a little croissant. Hey guys, it's Afrodaybeac here, and Happy New Year! If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. If not, welcome back. I love when you guys come back and watch my videos. As you guys can tell by the title of the video, this is going to be an unboxing video for One Size by Patrick Starrr. Guys, like, I'm so excited actually because it was like, oh my god, like, this is like my first package ever, like, ever. So I'm super duper excited. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I opened it before, but I still want you to see like the cute packaging. It's like, oh my god. So in the box I have we got the cute one. So in the box we have several goodies. They didn't just send me the powders, they sent me several things. Thank you guys. Like, you know, thank you so much. It's so sweet. I have the Ultimate Setting Powder in the dark deep shade, which is what I wanted to debut today. The main thing I wanted to debut. They gave me a couple of eyeliners, I believe. Let's see. There's the 24-hour gel eyeliner pencil. I think they gave me... Okay, this one's a gel. And then this one's a liquid. Okay. This one's in Busty Brown. Bodacious Black. Oh, you know, Bodacious and Busty. This one's in Bodacious Black. I think they sent me a picture. Oh, okay. I think one of them might be a gel and one might be a pencil. Yeah, so they sent me two, but one's a gel eyeliner and the other one is a liquid eyeliner pen. So, I'm not sure which one I'm going to use, but we're going to figure it out later. And then we have Eye Popper Sparkle Vision Eyeshadow. Okay. And it looks everything and more. So it looks like it might be a rose gold color based on the cap. So I'm super excited to use these. They also sent me over oh wow. Okay. It's literally called Go Off, their makeup dissolving mist. And lastly, I actually wanted to try these. Go Off, the juiciest makeup remover wipes. I'm gonna hold it to the square because I haven't bought makeup wipes in a hot minute, and it's like I've just been using soaps to take off my makeup, and I know it's not doing the same thing. Like, it doesn't feel as good, but it gets the job done. And it has such cute wrapping papers. Well, we can make a scarf out of this. Wait, hold on. And it matches my hair. Yeah. Ooh, wait. I look like a little croissant. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna do my face as I usually do, but I wanted to incorporate these products and see how cute I can look. So if you guys want to see, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, so I went ahead and primed my eyes off camera and did my eyebrows as I usually do. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with a bronzer for like the base color of my eyelids, and then I'm gonna go in with the Eye Popper Sparkle Vision eyeshadow. Okay, so now that I have the bronzer all over my eyes, I'm gonna top it with this, the One Size Eye Popper. See? It looks like a rose gold, like a metallic type of liquid eyeshadow. I've never actually used liquid eyeshadow before, so this might be interesting to say the least. Oh, you know what? I might stop wearing shimmer. Wait. Oh my god, wait. This might be onto something. Okay, and that was all like one dip. This is really cute. Ooh. And then I think I'm gonna go back in with the bronzer afterwards just to get like the outer area to blend more. You know what would go so gorgeous with this? Like a loose pigment, maybe even some glitters. Like this would be gorgeous. Oh wow. They did that. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow it up with this crease brush and just go around the edges. Just to buff it out, look and make it look more in unison. Now that I like went in with the bronzer and everything, I also went in with the Juvia Zulu palette and used this brown shade right here just to like blend things a little better. I'm gonna go ahead and use the One Size Point Made Bodacious Black 24-hour liquid eyeliner pen I guess there's one back to wing my eye. Let's see how that's going. Not even to wing it. Like I don't wear. Everything's falling. I don't wing my eyeliner. I just do like the basic line. Now that I line my eyes, I'm gonna finish my eyes later. Like when it comes to lashes and doing my underline, my waterline. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and complete like the foundation and concealer in my face so I can show you guys how the Ultimate Setting Powder works. They gave me a full size, like girl, she's thick, she's chunky. But give me a second and I'll be right back. So now that I've already done like the base of my face, I'm gonna go ahead and set it with the One Size Ultimate Setting Powder in the shade Dark Deep. I think it's Deep Dark. What is it? Dark Deep, okay. And it looks like this. It's actually really pretty. Okay. Oh, it has like one of those little suction protection thing. Okay. So there's no spilling. Ooh. Usually I would go ahead and use like a beauty blender for a setting powder, but because this is a dark deep powder, I'm gonna go ahead and use a brush and like gently put it on the center of my face. So like this. This is actually really cute. I've never seen a design like this. Like the middle part where the slash is. I want to show you guys in the part I was gonna pull up. I don't see. You can see it like that. The middle part where the slash is, where it's like the powder comes out. It's so cute. So I'm just gonna like lightly dab and get like dust it off. Okay. Oh wow, it's actually setting really nice. I think what I'm gonna do is that. Let me get this mirror since it's smaller and closer to. It's actually setting really nice. The only thing, I'm used to a brighter powder, but this goes amazing on my skin tone. Oh my gosh. I think. Oh wow. This is really nice. Like it really, oh my god. I'm just gonna go ahead and set my whole face with it because when you lightly dust it, it looks really, oh wow. Y'all, I look airbrushed. This is crazy. Okay, so I guess originally when I used the translucent powder, that might have been too white for me, but this is it. Oh my god, y'all, once I did that, like, period. Her. My thing is, they did that with the setting powder, like with the little highlight thing with it. It's like, when y'all gonna drop contour is the question. Like, when you gonna hit me right here? Because we could do a whole one size face. That'd be a thing. That'd be it. Because this is airbrush, baby. And I didn't even finish my face yet. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and follow up and do the rest of my face, contour and all. And what I'm gonna do is also use the One Size Bodacious Black 24-hour gel eyeliner pencil to do my waterline, do my lips and everything. You guys are you're gonna see it. So give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. This is the completed look. So like as usual, you know, I go big with lashes, so I had to keep tradition going. I just finished with the eyeliner like I said I was gonna do, and then I went ahead and I didn't use blush this time. Just contoured with the Fenty Beauty as usual. I went in with Fenty Beauty's cream lip gloss in the shade Fenty Glow. And then I just lined with a brown lip liner. Same thing I usually do with my looks. Like I highlighted, I know you can't really buy this in the store anymore, but I'm gonna still use it. The Jackie Aina Artist Couture LeBron's Diamond Glow Powder. Y'all, this is so good. It looks just like, ooh, it's so, it looks kind of natural, but at the same time it's like, maybe she's born with it, maybe it's LeBron's, like, you know. So overall, like this powder and the products, I do like them, like especially, where is it, the gel pencil, like this, bro, this for my waterline, it just glides like butter, not butter, and just like, y'all, I like this. You need to look at this, sweetie. Like, tell me I look good. You lied, but whatever. And then this powder, given that I used the translucent one at first, this really came through. Like, I did not think it would go with my skin. Like, when people recommended I did the dark, I was like, I was going to try it regardless. But I was like, I don't know about that. Because typically, a lot of dark powders, setting powders, tend to look orange on my skin. So they kind of go against the point. But this one, just like, just melted and just looked gorgeous on me, bro. Like, one side, just tell me, like, call me when y'all ready to drop that contour, to drop the bronzing powder, the contour, because I'll be here for that. I'll be down for that. I will definitely use that. Y'all can call me and I'll be an advocate for you, because I already trust it, because the formula of this snaps. It goes off. I actually have the translucent powder here. As you guys recall, I got the mini version one because when it comes to testing things, I wanted to make sure before I go get a full one and I can't even use it. This one was for, let me see, 0.23 ounces. Okay, this one goes for 1.2 ounces as opposed to the 0.23 ounces. Like, y'all can see the difference. I'm gonna ride for this one. I'm gonna use this again. Like this, I would like to show, I'm going to show you guys, I think I might show you guys how it wears out in like my Instagram. I'll show you on my Instagram stories how this wears out, because it says it's supposed to be a 14-hour long wear blurring setting powder. For a light bake or to a heavy cake? I did a light bake. I didn't do a heavy cake because that's just not my spiel. Shtick? Whatever the term is, it's just not my thing. So, as you see, this queen. This is probably good as well. It's just not for my skin tone. It's just not for me. Or it's just the way I use it. It's just not gonna work. The like, once I put foundation on it, it did what it was supposed to do. But I'm not used to putting foundation onto my setting powder after to make it work, you know? So we keep it for. I also wanted to show you guys like the makeup remover things, but for right now, I'm gonna be wearing this makeup for a hot minute. I'm gonna like maybe post it on my story. So if you guys want to check that out, it'll definitely be there. And if you guys have anything else you want me to try out, just put it in the comments when it comes to this, any questions. If you like this video, don't be afraid to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I love when you guys subscribe and see the rest of my videos. But for now, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!